In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to park a domain on GoDaddy. Let's start at the very beginning. To park your domain, you will first need to sign in to your GoDaddy account. From there, you should navigate towards your domain portfolio. This can be found in the list of options presented to you on your GoDaddy account dashboard. Your domain portfolio is where all your domains are listed. Now, once you're viewing your domain portfolio, your next step is to find the domain you wish to park. You may have one or multiple domains listed, so please take your time to ensure you're selecting the correct one. Upon finding the domain you wish to park, simply select it to open up its settings. This is where we will make the necessary changes to park your domain. Once you have the domain settings open, your following step will be to go to the DNS settings. These settings can be quickly accessed by selecting the DNS option on the domain settings page. The DNS settings control how your domain interacts with your website and email. For the purpose of parking your domain, we will have to edit certain DNS records. Specifically, we are looking to edit the A record of your domain. To find this, you need to locate the record where the name is represented by the symbol @. Conveniently, GoDaddy makes it easy to edit any record with a user-friendly interface. Right next to the @ record, there should be an option to edit it. By selecting this, we can make the necessary changes to park your domain. Once inside the editing option for the A record, you will need to update the value to a specific parking IP address. You might wonder, what is a parking IP? To put it simply, it's an IP address we will be pointing your domain to. Two common parking IP addresses often used are 3.33.130.190 or 15.197.148.33. You can pick any of these two, input it in the field, and we are good to go. Now the work on your part is done. Simply save your changes and voila, your domain is now set to park. However, it's important to remember that DNS changes can sometimes take a little bit of time to fully propagate. In fact, in some cases, it may take up to 48 hours for your domain to be fully parked. So if you don't see the changes immediately, don't panic. Just give it a bit of time. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily park any domain in your GoDaddy account. The entire process is made intuitive and user-friendly by GoDaddy, making domain parking something anyone can easily achieve. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial.